They ignited that inner fire in me that helped me strive for excellence.
The class sizes are also very small.
So when the teacher asks a question, each of us will have a chance to answer it as well.
I enjoy interacting with the learning journey teachers as they are very friendly and easy to approach.
And this creates a very conducive environment for studying.
It has specific techniques and skills that you can learn for every single part.
One technique is called the PL method. You need to focus on the pictures, then you give an example, and then you eventually link it back up to the question. When I did that in oral, I found myself to be much more confident.
I have to underline the important keywords and clues that help you to decipher the answer.
I struggled with content in essays. I didn't really have enough things or points to talk about. LJC provided me with a lot of content, a lot of knowledge to help me to broaden my mind and also give me a lot of insights.
So we were covering ageism in class, and we were given some materials to read up, and I felt they were really useful because I ended up applying them in my end of year exam.
They are very accurate in predicting their oral topics as well. For example, I actually encountered the same oral topic that I revised the day before during my learning journey class. I was able to use a lot of vocabulary and examples in my oral.
Over the years with Learning Journey, my vocabulary has increased to a wider range.
I find their teaching very unique and special, and I also find it very enjoyable, which helped me to remember it more.
My teachers really helped me to see a different perspective into English.
Thank you LJC for all your help and support.
I have gained a lot of confidence in English.
Thank you, Learning Journey, for helping me appreciate and understand English.
Thank you.
Thank you, Learning Journey.
Thank you, LJEC.
Thank you.
Thank you, Learning Journey.